welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a recreation of a look that I did a few days ago. I posted it on my Instagram and you guys really wanted a tutorial on it, so I said, you know, like, why not? It's really easy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's literally so easy, guys. It just takes a little bit of blending and a few shadows and you're good to go. So yeah, let's get into it. tonight and you guys are done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it was pretty easy to follow. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next week. I'm totally looking forward to what you guys are going to say, and I love reading your guys' comments. If you recreate this look, please make sure to tag me on Instagram, Twitter, wherever. I get so happy when you guys recreate my stuff. It just makes me feel so warm inside. So yeah, let me know and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.